Welcome everyone to the Green Initiative Engagement for your company. My name is Himanshu, an incidental planter from company teamNgage with the mission Revolution You. I take the pledge to care and nurture for this plant.
Care for this plant.
First of all, I would like to thank Himanshu for this wonderful session, because not only did we learn what is happening with the world today, but also we found a solution as to how we can prevent it. And I myself, I'm feeling very proud because I started a new life in the shape of a plant, and I promise to everyone here and to myself that I'll stick to it, to the pledge that I have taken, so that I can nurture and see the plant grow in front of me. Thank you very much.